Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of UGG Australia from Victoria's Secret Pink. No, from Victoria's Secret site. So let's get started. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay, so I've got this box. So the box came in the bigger box and I took it out, and the box looks like this, and here is the model I've got and the size, which is UGG Australia Classic in size Classic Short 2 in size 10, UK 8, European 41. So let's open it. So it comes with this thing and then UGG paper. Let's take them out. And something like this. And here are the boots. Then another one. Something like this. I don't know what for. And here another one. So here they are. Here they are. Thumbnail. So here there are UGG Classic Australia in grey. I wanted and I returned them. In past I bought UGG Australia in brown from Victoria's Secret, but I returned them because they were a little bit weird inside. This fur inside was feeling like it's fake. That's why I returned them, and this year I've got these ones. I had rewards points, so I used them for the UGGs, and of course I had to pay something more, but rewards points make them cheaper. And then inside they look like this. This is sheepskin. A smell of UGGs and some glue. And here is the fur. Looks like this. Fur. See? Looks more natural than my other ones that I returned, and more thick. And the inside of it is white. Here is the tag. I don't know, you can see. And this UGGs, since few years, looks different. This thing looks different than in past. It doesn't says UGG Australia anymore, but it says just UGG. See? And it's from leather. And bottom is also different than all UGGs, and looks like this. See? And these are authentic, sold by Victoria's Secret, but they are authentic. So yeah, it has R letter near UGG. Are they flexible? Yeah. they kind of are. And sheepskin has wrinkles, so if you get sheepskin boots with wrinkles, don't worry, as that means that they are made from sheepskin. Sheepskin is not that durable, as after some time they get destroyed by, for example, rubbing. I had the sheepskin boots even from Kirkland brand, and they were only 1 or 2 seasons, cause then they was looking beat up. But maybe AGA Australia is more durable because of the sole. Sole is better than in AGA by Kirkland. And I plan these ones I plan to wear outside because they have darker colors, so I would be not worried to make them dirty. As I also have different Uggs, like here for example, these ones in blue, see? And these ones are already a little bit destroyed, like see, they look like used more than they were, as I was just few times wearing them at home and maybe one time outside, and they already look a little bit here beat up. And here, see, so sheepskin skin isn't that durable. See, it's easily crinkled, wrinkled, and easy to rips, but it's more comfortable because it's more flexible. And preferring those looks like this. This is also the newer ones. Number 2. They are really comfortable. So yeah, these ones I will wear outside, but maybe inside too, as they are really nice, and they are covered with protective, with spray, waterproof spray. They say so, so they should be waterproof, or at least water resistant. So yeah, I will try them on and see how they looks like. And here one more time the fur, how it looks inside. It's really nice and soft to the touch, and not really bad. See, I like them. And the tag inside the left one has those things that say it's authentic. See, that sounds, I don't know how to show it. Okay, I try those on. hope you enjoy such videos. If you know, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I will do more unboxings, vlogs and other reviews and videos. So hope you stay tuned and see you in the next one. Bye.